So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant and today I'm going to show you guys the Mi Band 3 tips and tricks and secret features that you guys might not know. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Also, if you're starting a video, make sure to subscribe to your channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. So the first trick on the list, I'm going to show you guys how to display emojis on the Mi Band. Earlier, if you get a emoji from, let's say, WhatsApp, the Mi Band will display question marks. Now for that, you need to download this app called Alert Bridge. I will leave the link in the description so you guys can download. Now what basically this app allow you to do, it convert those question marks into text style emojis. So if you get a laughing face emoji, you get the XD. So all you have to do is set up the app and connect your Mi Band. Now you can just the app will automatically connect. If it doesn't do that, you can just copy your MAC address. Now where to find the MAC address is go to the Mi Fit app, then go to Mi Band 3. At the very bottom you can see the MAC address. Just copy it to that app and your band will pair automatically. You don't have to do that if it pairs automatically. Now just copy all of the settings and select the app which you want to receive notifications from. In my case it is WhatsApp, but you can choose any of the app that shows text. Now once all of that things are done, whenever you get an emoji on your WhatsApp, you can see it will display something like this. If you get a laughing face emoji, it will display XD, and the +1, that's the thumbs up button. So yeah, this is how it will display emojis. Obviously it can't display the full emoji, physically it cannot display that. So yeah, it is better than question marks. So if you like, you can try this one out. So next up is this feature where you can just auto reject calls. Whenever you get a call, you can just press and hold on this button and it will reject the call. It's a really helpful feature, let's say if you are in meeting and stuff like that. So make sure to try it on. So next feature, I'm going to show you guys how to unlock your phone screen with your Mi Band, so you don't have to input your password, pattern or fingerprint. Now all you have to do is go to the Mi Fit app, then go to screen unlock, then go to settings and go to trusted device and add Mi Band 3 as the trusted device. Once you've done that, just keep your Mi Band 3 close to your phone and lock it, and whenever you do that, you don't need to have to input the password and stuff like that. You just have to swipe up, and whenever the band is not connected to your phone or it is far away, you have to input your password. So if you like this feature, you can use this too. It is helpful. Next up, I'm going to show you guys how to silence your phone from your Mi Band. Just go to more and swipe left until you see this silent button. Once you have done that, just press and hold on that button and it will just make your phone silent and make it on do not disturb. So as you guys can see, my phone is on do not disturb, and you can do that again to remove your phone from silent. So it's a really nifty feature. If you want to silence your phone from your band without actually removing the phone, you can do that. Next feature, you can select custom watch faces for your Mi Band. Now all you have to do is go to more and swipe right until you see screen. Once you've done that, you can just select from these 3 screens. Now if you like either of those, you can just tap on it and it will apply, and there are 3 of them, so you can choose whichever you like. So it's a really handy feature. If you want to try that one out, make sure to do that. Next feature on the list is this find my device. Now you need to go to more and find my device. Once you've done that, you can just press and hold, and it will make sure that your device is connected with Bluetooth. Once you have done that, it will just ring your phone and you can find your phone. So yeah guys, this was basically it. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for part 2 of this. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.